Today we are bringing you an unboxing of the Sapphire NITRO Plus Radeon RX 460 4GB version. It has a GPU with 896 stream processors, a 14nm FinFET processor design. It has a 1250 MHz engine boost clock and a 1175 engine base clock. It operates on the PCI Express 3.0 interface and has a memory bus of 128 bits, a GDDR5 memory type, 1750 memory clock, and a total capacity of 4GB. As far as outputs go, it supports a maximum of 3 outputs and has a dual-link DVI port, an HDMI 2.0B revision, and a DisplayPort 1.4 port on the backside of the motherboard. For power, it uses the PCIe power and of course a 6-pin power connector. The maximum rated power consumption is 75 watts, and the manufacturer suggests a 450 watt power supply for use of the graphics card. As you could just see, the unboxing experience itself is quite self-explanatory. Inside you can find the CD with drivers that of course you should just throw away and download the actual drivers on the website of the manufacturer or AMD itself. Other paper-based materials inside of the packaging is a small contact form paper that says that the graphics card was made by Sapphire and a quick contact for the representative in Germany for European markets. That is followed by the quick installation guide that is short but sweet and describes the whole installation process quite handily. Last but definitely not least, and maybe even the most important thing aside from the graphics card itself, is the warranty code that you can enter on the site of the manufacturer and get an extended warranty license. Now onto the product itself, it looks quite familiar to its bigger brother, the RX 470 that we have unboxed above. It sports two 90mm fans that are quite big for this price range, and if they would have included also a backplate, I would have been completely blown away by the price per performance, at least as far as visuals go on this product. You can expect a full review of this unit soon and its comparison to the RX 470 in a full review. Thanks for watching this unboxing and don't forget to subscribe to Discharge Networks.